In this video, we are going to make a dragon fruit cantaloupe cake. The ingredients you will need for the cookie base are gluten-free flour, sugar, salt, an egg, and warm butter. Separate the egg yolk and the egg white. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Whip the warm butter for 20 to 30 seconds. Add in the sugar, salt, egg yolk, and half of the flour, and mix. Add in the rest of the flour and fold it in. Spread that evenly into the bottom of a cheesecake mold. The diameter of my mold is 7 inches and the height is 3 inches. Bake at 375 degrees for 12 minutes. After removing it from the oven, it is very crisp, so do not tilt it or else it will break. The ingredients you will need are gelatin and cantaloupe juice. Soak the gelatin in ice water for 5 minutes. Microwave the cantaloupe juice for 30 seconds and add in the soaked gelatin. Mix until the gelatin melts. Pour into a mold and freeze for 1 hour. My mold is 1 tablespoon. The ingredients you need are dragon fruit and gelatin. Soak the gelatin in ice water for 5 minutes. Microwave the dragon fruit for 1 minute and add in the soaked gelatin. Mix until the gelatin melts. Pour it into a mold and freeze for 1 hour. My mold is 5 inches in diameter and 2 inches in height. The ingredients you need for the cheesecake mixture are lemon juice, sugar, gelatin, cream cheese, vanilla extract, plain yogurt, whipped cream, and cantaloupe juice. Mix the cream cheese with the vanilla extract, lemon juice, and sugar. Mix in the plain yogurt. Soak the gelatin in ice water for 5 to 10 minutes. Beat the whipped cream until it looks like this. Mix the whipped cream with the cream cheese mixture. Gradually add in the cantaloupe juice. Microwave the gelatin for 20 seconds to melt it and mix in some of the cheesecake mixture. Mix that back into the remaining cheesecake mixture. Remove the cantaloupe jelly from the mold and cut in half. Place the jelly around the side of the cake. Pour in a layer of cheesecake mixture and freeze for 30 minutes. Remove the inside layer from the mold. Place it in the center of the cake. Pour in the remaining cheesecake mixture and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Remove the cake from the mold. Decorate the top with dragon fruit and cantaloupe.